Good day, I am Torsten Himishano and today we will talk about what could be the application of IoT on the maritime sector. The application of IoT in the maritime sector is extensive and includes smart vessel management. IoT sensors on ship monitor engine performance, fuel consumption, navigation data, and equipment health in real time, enabling remote diagnostic and predictive maintenance. Efficient fleet operations. Fleet management system use IoT to optimize routes, manage fuel efficiency, and ensure compliance with regulations, resulting in cost savings and reduce environmental impact. Port automation ports. Ports use IoT sensors and automation to streamline cargo handling, optimize berth utilization, and improve overall port productivity, leading to faster turnaround times and reduced congestion. Safety and security. IoT device enhance maritime safety by monitoring vessel condition, detecting potential hazards, and providing early warnings for emergencies. Additional IoT-enabled surveillance system security in ports and on ships. Environmental monitoring. IoT sensor collect data on water quality, air, pollution, and maritime biodiversity, supporting environmental monitoring efforts and facilitating compliances environment regulation. Supply chain visibility. IoT enables real-time tracking and monitoring of cargo throughout the supply chain, improving transparency, efficiency, and security in maritime logistics operations. Remote operation and maintenance. IoT enable remote monitoring and control systems, allows or remote management of offshores platforms, reducing the need of physical inspections and minimizing downtime. Optimize energy management. IoT device optimize energy consumption on ships offshores installations by monitoring power usage, identifying efficiencies, and implementing energy-saving measures. Overall, IoT technologies revolutionize the maritime sector by enhancing operational efficiency, safety, environment, sustainability, and decision-making capabilities across the entire maritime value chain. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today.